Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable Minecraft multiplayer on Microsoft account. Right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser, and then just go ahead over to xbox.com. Hit on enter, and just wait for it to load. And then once it loads, just go to the top, click on sign in, and sign in with your Microsoft account. Okay, just wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead over to your profile. Click on the three dots right here. It says more options, and then just click on Xbox settings. Now here we have the privacy and online safety. So just go ahead over to Xbox and Windows 11 devices online safety. Scroll all the way down and just make sure that you can join access or you can join cross network play is allowed. All right. Create and join clubs allowed, or just basically allow it all. And once done, scroll all the way down, just click on submit. All right. Now, if you have the game opened, just make sure that you close the game, reopen it for the changes to take effect. And do note that it may take up to 24 hours for the settings to update. So just patiently wait. That is how you enable Minecraft multiplayer on a Microsoft account. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.